Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of home cooling solutions, and we've got something special for you. We'll be discussing the Midea 8000 BTU Easy Cool Window Air Conditioner. A versatile unit that promises to be the best window AC unit with a dehumidifier on the market. Stick around to find out why. Let's kick things off with a quick overview of the Midea 8000 BTU Easy Cool Window Air Conditioner. This unit offers a fantastic combination of cooling power, dehumidification, and convenience. It's designed to cool spaces of up to 350 square feet quickly and efficiently, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or even small apartments. Now, let's talk about what sets this product apart from the competition. Here are some key features. The Midea Easy Cool not only cools your space but also circulates air with its 3-speed fan and reduces humidity using the dehumidifier mode. It's like having a climate control powerhouse in one unit. This window AC unit is ENERGY STAR certified, helping you save money on your energy bills. It also offers multiple custom settings, including Eco Mode and an easy timer feature to tailor the unit's operation to your needs. Don't worry about loud, disruptive noise. This unit is quieter than your household refrigerator. The intuitive LED display and included remote control allow for easy temperature and mode adjustments from across the room. Installing this unit in your existing window frame is a breeze, and all mounting accessories are included. Just remember, you might need a screwdriver for some window frames, so be prepared. Midea is the world's #1 air treatment brand, and they stand by their products with a 1-year parts and labor warranty. So, how does it perform in the real world? Users have reported that it cools their rooms quickly, even during scorching summer days. Plus, the auto restart feature ensures that it keeps you cool, even if the power goes out temporarily. In conclusion, the Midea 8000 BTU Easy Cool Window Air Conditioner is a top contender for the best window AC unit with a dehumidifier. With its cooling prowess, energy efficiency, and ease of use, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to beat the summer heat. That's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.